Imagine looking at the entire universe and realizing that almost all of it is invisible. Everything you've ever seen, every star, every planet, every galaxy, and even you, makes up only about 5% of the universe. So, what makes up the other 95%? Scientists believe that about 27% is something called dark matter. It doesn't produce light. It doesn't reflect light, and no one has ever seen it directly, yet its invisible gravity keeps galaxies from flying apart. Without dark matter, the universe we know couldn't exist the way it does today. Scientists can measure its effects, but they still don't know what it actually is. One of the biggest mysteries in the universe remains completely invisible. If dark matter wasn't mysterious enough, here's something even stranger. Scientists discovered that the universe isn't just expanding. It's expanding faster every second. They call the invisible force behind it dark energy. It makes up nearly 68% of the universe. But here's the mystery. No one knows what dark energy actually is. Imagine falling into a place where even light can't escape. That place is called a black hole. Its gravity is so powerful that everything nearby gets pulled toward it. Scientists believe that time and space become extremely distorted near a black hole. But here's the mystery. No one knows what actually happens after something crosses the event horizon. Does it disappear forever? Does it enter another universe? No one knows. And that's what makes black holes one of the greatest mysteries in space. The universe contains billions of galaxies, and each galaxy contains billions of stars. Around many of those stars are planets, just like Earth. So, are we really alone? Scientists have discovered thousands of planets beyond our solar system. Some may even have the right conditions for life. But despite decades of searching, we still haven't found clear evidence of intelligent alien life. The biggest question remains unanswered. Are we truly alone? We've been searching for alien life for decades. We've sent radio signals into space. We've listened for mysterious transmissions. And we've discovered thousands of planets beyond our solar system. Some may even have conditions suitable for life. Yet after all this searching, the universe remains completely silent. This is known as the Fermi paradox. If intelligent life should be everywhere, then where is everybody? In 1977, something strange happened. A radio telescope in Ohio detected an incredibly strong signal coming from deep space. The signal lasted for about 72 seconds. It was so unusual that the scientist who discovered it wrote, "Wow," on the printout. And that's how it became known as the WOW signal. Scientists searched for it again, but it never came back. Was it a natural cosmic event? Or could it have been something else? To this day, we still don't know. If you could travel to the edge of the universe, what would you find? Surprisingly, scientists don't know. The universe has been expanding for nearly 14 billion years, but no one has ever found its edge. Some scientists think the universe may be infinite. Others believe it could be curved, meaning if you traveled far enough, you might end up where you started. The true shape of the universe remains one of the biggest mysteries in science. Did you know that time doesn't pass at exactly the same speed everywhere? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the stronger the gravity, the slower time passes. This means a clock near a massive object would tick slightly slower than a clock farther away. And this isn't just theory. Scientists have measured tiny differences in clocks at different altitudes, so time itself isn't as constant as it feels. What if our universe isn't the only one? Some scientists have proposed that there could be other universes beyond our own. This idea is called the multiverse. Imagine our universe as just one bubble among countless others. Each bubble could potentially have different conditions, different physical laws, or even completely different versions of reality. But here's the problem. We've never observed another universe. So right now, the multiverse remains an incredible scientific possibility. But we don't know if it's actually real. We know the universe began with the Big Bang. But here's the question scientists still can't answer. What happened before it? About 13.8 billion years ago, our universe began expanding from an extremely hot and dense state. But when we try to look beyond that beginning, our current laws of physics stop giving us clear answers. Maybe there was no before. Maybe our universe came from something we don't yet understand. Or maybe the Big Bang was just the beginning of a much bigger story. The truth is, we simply don't know what came before the universe. And that may be the biggest mystery of all. We've traveled across some of the strangest mysteries in science. We asked where alien civilizations are hiding. We wondered what exists at the edge of the universe. We explored why time can behave differently. And we asked the biggest question of all: what came before the universe? The truth is, science has answered countless questions. But every answer seems to reveal even more questions. And that's what makes the universe so fascinating. There are still mysteries waiting to be discovered. Maybe one day we'll finally understand them. Until then, keep looking up. And remember, the universe is stranger than we can imagine.